Hi guys, welcome to my channel SAP Lobby. If you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. Today we'll discuss on the scrap. So what are the scrap in the SAP? So scrap means like if any product, some product is damaged on or unused due to some reason, and that could not deliver to the customer, that could not sell to the customer, so then that is to be scrap, so that need to be scrap, and that will term as scrap. Okay, so in SAP we'll have three types of scrap we can maintain. One is component scrap, operation scrap, and assembly scrap. So uh, three of three of them have its own impact on the production and also production quantity. Okay, I'll show you in this system. So this is one product, this is one finished product. So this is one finished product. Under this this is two component. Okay, so if I go to this one, MRP4, so this raw material, if you look at, this is component scrap 6%. So in MRP view, metal master, in metal master and in MRP view you can maintain the component scrap. So let's discuss about first about the component scrap. Okay, so here it maintain the 6%. So what will happen if I will create the production order for this finished material, and this 6% scrap will added on the requirement quantity. Suppose I will create the production order for 100 pieces. So as per BOM, we should require the 200 pieces of this raw material, but as we have maintained the 6% scrap, so it will be around 12 pieces. 12 pieces it will be added to the requirement quantity. Okay, let me create one production order for this one. So component scrap, you can maintain the MRP 4 of the metal master for the component. So material, suppose I will give 100. Okay, and okay. So this is 100. If I go to here, see, this is 212. So this is first component do not have maintained with the component scrap. This metal is component maintain the component scrap 6% in the metal master, so it is 212 pieces. So 200 is the as per the production order quantity, and 12 pieces as per as the 6% of scrap we have added in the metal master, so it is taking 6% of the 200 quantity. Okay, so that's total is 200 plus scrap, predefined scrap quantity is 212. So here like we are, I mean, predefining the scrap quantity for this component. Like we are assuming this much scrap might be generated during production for this component. So we are accordingly we are adding the scrap percentage in the metal master. Okay, so this is about the component scrap. Now if I talk about the operation scrap, so operation scrap you can maintain in the BOM also. So I'll take another FG material. Okay, so here this is another finish material I took. So here if you look at, if in the item overview, if I go to the change mode of this BOM, so here in item overview, here you will maintain the operations graph. Okay, so for the material, so operations graph you maintain the 7, so we have to activate this one also, net id. So net id means like suppose in this finished material, in this parent material, you have maintained also assembly scrap. So when system will calculate the scrap quantity for this, for raw material, it will not it will exclude the assembly scrap quantity of this finished material. Okay, so it is only consider the scrap quantity, this operation scrap quantity for the component. Okay, I will show you that also. That's what in this case we have to choose this one, this net id. So when you give the operation scrap in the BOM, you have to give select the net id. Okay, and here also, like I in previous case I show how to maintain the component scrap in the metal master, but here also you can maintain the component scrap in BOM. Okay, so that will be like only if you are, it is applicable for only for particular parent material or any production order material. So in that case you can maintain in the BOM. Okay, so now if you will check for operation scrap, if I create the production order for this one, so here suppose if I give 100, see he in this material, I will show you this one also. In this material here, this material is maintained with the assembly scrap. So see, if I gave here 100 quantity, but it added the 5 quantity, 5% maintained as scrap quantity in the assembly scrap, so it is become the 105. Okay, so here see here assembly scrap is maintained, assembly scrap in MRP1 view, in MRP1 view. So this is your parent material, so in this parent material I maintain the assembly scrap as 5%. So that's the reason when I create the product order for 100, it is proposing 105 to produce, because there might be the scrap of 5%, because we have maintained in the metal master. Now this component, in this component we have maintained the operation scrap. If we go to that component, in component okay, in component we maintain 7% of scrap. Okay, here we maintain 7% of scrap. So as per calculation, because we are creating the production order for the 100 pieces, that's what it become the 107 of the, it's giving the 107 quantity for the raw material, 100 as per BOM, 7 pieces as per the scrap percentage, operation scrap percentage. So here because of net id indicator, it did not considering the 5 pieces of scrap. So it did not consider the 5 pieces of scrap, uh, because here 105 is coming, 5 is scrap, 5 pieces scrap, but that 5 pieces scrap is not being considered to calculate this operation scrap quantity of the BOM component. Okay, so that is the reason it took only the order quantity, and it accordingly it is calculating the uh, requirement quantity of the component. Okay, so this is the operation scrap, how it work, and this assembly scrap, how it work, and net id, when you choose the net id, how it work. Okay, and the component scrap, if you maintain the component scrap, how it will impact to the your component quantity in the production. Okay, hope you understood the different types of scrap and how it impact during your production and how it calculate. Okay, hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.